Hey, look, a chiropractor. I could actually use an adjustment.
Let's see how you turn this into a brag.
I hurt my back reading screenplays for a competition
Finish the sentence.
that I paid to be a judge in.
There you go. Hello?
Cha-ching! Hello? Would you guys like an adjustment?
I'll take one.
Not me. I think you're a quack.
I also do colonic irrigation therapy.
I'll take a pamphlet.
This head hole smells like spit.
Don't worry, I always give it one lazy wipe between patients. Now I'm going to ask you some questions I can steer into any direction I need. Do you ever feel tired?
I do.
And if you go a few hours between meals, do you ever feel like you need to eat again?
Yeah, like every day.
That's a big problem nowadays. I have some very expensive supplements that'll help.
Whoa, that feels great.
Yeah, that good feeling will last right until you get into your car. Here's your bill.
$700?
That covers the consultation, evaluation, diagnosis, adjustments, supplements, and a fart surcharge.
I didn't fart.
You did. People always do. Or maybe I did. Either way, I'll just bill it to your insurance.
Man, I can't believe it. Oh, there it is.
Told ya.